Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. Stay tuned because I'm about to make the easiest slice recipe I know, and it's coming right up. So I call this one my throw together slice because that's literally what you do. You throw together the ingredients. And I tell you what, not only is it super quick and very easy, it's one of the most delicious slices I make. So let me show you how it's done. So step one, in a bowl, add 1.5 cups of plain biscuit crumbs. Now today I'm using wheatmeal biscuits, but you can use arrowroot biscuits, whatever. To this I add 90 grams of melted unsalted butter and give it a good stir. Next I have a 30 by 20 centimetre slice tin and I'm going to add our biscuit crumb and press it down firmly. Next step, add 1.5 cups of choc bits. Now I'm using a combination of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. I know it seems a little excessive, but trust me, this is delicious. You can never have too much chocolate, right? On top of the chocolate, we're going to add 1 cup of shredded coconut. On top of the coconut, we're going to add 1 cup of mixed nuts. Now today I'm using chopped up slivered almonds and a few chopped up pecans in there as well. But this is totally up to you. You can use macadamia nuts, peanuts, whatever your little heart desires. And for our final layer, we're going to pour 1 tin of condensed milk all over the top of that. So in the oven, of course, this is going to become a really gorgeous caramel. Try and do this as evenly as you can. Okay, now I have my oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to bake this for about 30 minutes. Once your slice has had some time to cool, cut it into pieces with a sharp knife while the slice is still slightly warm. I don't know about you guys, but every day about 3 o'clock I just need a cup of coffee and a little sweet treat. And the slice I've made today is just perfect for a little afternoon tea treat. Let me have a taste. Yum! What I love most about this slice is the combination of textures. That crunchy nuts, those roasted almonds, the little bit of melted chocolate and that biscuit base, and don't forget that gooey caramel in between. It just works together so brilliantly, and that is fantastic. You know, this slice is really perfect for when you've got a morning tea coming up and you've forgotten all about it, you need to make something in a hurry. Perfect. Also, a really good slice to get the kids involved because it's super simple. So if you want to have a go at making this really delicious, quick and easy slice, just head to the description box below and find the link to my website and go from there. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, or better still, hit that subscribe button so you always know what I'm up to in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time.